loves, hey my loves, welcome back to another day of welcome back to a new vlog. I'm NtokoG for those who don't know, and for those who are new. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and loyalty. You guys are appreciated. So yesterday I started a vlog, ne? Bekusekuseni nje ngayenza iview ngaphandle, but I didn't say anything to you guys because nje usuku lami livele nje yabo ngalala nje the whole day. Ngithe mengiqeda ukuclean edining ngalala, like bengibusy nje ngibukela ama vlogs ku YouTube ngase ngiyalala like. So today no, let me just come and greet you guys and welcome you guys to a new vlog. Namhlanje Thursday. Yes, it's a Thursday today. Cleaner, and then after cleaning, I'm supposed to start typing my assignment. Villa.com. Bengifuna type izolo, but I was so lazy. Type today, and then kumele ngihambe ngiye somewhere. Khona la kumele ngiyoshiya khona imali. Yeah, KK. Yes, yeah, KK. Iphi yona le mali yakhona onayile imali KK. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along, but mangicleana shame I won't, because lendlu le iyakhathaza and nje ngifuna ukusheshisa ngicleana nje into fast and then make breakfast and yeah, take a bath. Noma ngimuhle nje ekseni Nkosi yami, kodwa ukugeza kubalekile. Skin is giving. Guys, I don't know why ngihlale ngijabulela skin sami kangaka, because I've never had a problem. It's not like I was suffering some acne or something then right. I don't know why nje skin sami singihlangisa kangaka, because besihlezi nje vele. But nje I think I appreciate it more now ngoba ngikhula, because yabo ukuthi abantu bayasafarisha. So nje I'm really grateful for a flawless skin. Anyway guys, yeah, let me not blab. I'll see you a bit later. Bye. Hi my loves, I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's so windy, but I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way to go pay for the cake, and I think I'm fetching another cake. So yeah, let's go. Ngaseqhuba imfundo but siyadlula siqhuba imfundo yini lesikole ngaseyinkukhwini cishe. Yeah, angazi noma uyamazi into sisowenza amakhekhe ngalapho. Yeah, ngalapho. Athi nginplake-ke bakhozi ngoba ngiyanithanda-ke. Kunini la eNyukhasela, especially osizweni. Benifuna amakhekhe, imishado, ama-birthdays, nani nangumpume. She is your girl. Ikeke lakhe aveli mnandi, aveli soft. Ngeke nje nize niyisole guys. I think ama-details ayavela kule video le. Njengoba nje bengiyidonsile. Nama-details ne-house number yakubo. Nimthinte guys, you'll never go wrong. Hi my loves, hey my besties, welcome back to another day of the vlog. It's the 16th of June today and we are going to church. I have been invited by a friend, so yeah, let's go. And so yeah. Hi, my loves. So I am back home from church, tired, having some coffee for energy, nyana, and ngiyapheka lapha ngenzela lo sis indina angithi ibhede yakhe phela sizawuthini sesifela lokho. So yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna take you through my cooking process. I don't know, but if I don't, you see your banana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yep. Hatha kayanga nje lona. Phela ichakasi se next door. Unama ngithenge downtown lapha emajuba ngafika ngathi. Ichakasi khona downtown. Ayikho yini. Ayikho. Wacha. Good morning, my loves. It is a brand new day of the vlog. Namhlanje is Saturday. Yes, today is a Saturday, the 17th. And I woke up, I think, an hour ago, and I'm having my morning coffee. And as normal, ile capping in some be addicted to coffee, or I'm just addicted to coffee. But yeah, so I'm having my coffee, and then plans for the day I don't have. I just need to do my laundry, but I'm just gonna throw it to the washing machine, nothing hectic. And then yeah, later on kind of like a corner with my aunt and my sister, and yeah, kind of like corner. It's nothing hectic nje, yabo. Yeah, guys, yesterday I uploaded a vlog. Please show it some love, guys. Nina and comment. I do not know why and phela and comment nje anisho lutho nje. Like, I really want to like see and hear your thoughts on my vlogs, but you guys are not saying anything. How am I gonna improve when you guys are not telling me anything? I appreciate those who come privately to say bye to Mila, yabo. But I think issue on a public platform, I don't mind. Like, I literally don't mind criticism on a public platform. Like, you can just write a comment there. If I feel you disrespecting me and you making me feel uncomfortable or anything like that, I'll just delete the comment. But please, guys, comment and comment vlogging. So yeah, guys, that's the plan for the day. Nothing much. I'm just having coffee and I'm gonna do laundry, and yeah, we'll talk. I don't know when. Bye. Tell me you are home without telling me you are home. Appreciating my skin purr. So guys, it's still day, what day is it? It's still Saturday, yes. We're waiting for imoto izosilanda, like I said, ukuthi kukhona la siyakhona. So yeah, sisalinde imoto izosilanda. And yeah, sesigezile, we're looking all cute, all pretty. Ha, nelanga lenzani liyayitika nje ngokiss. Yayazi leyo side ya TikTok. Lenzani laze layitika ngokiss. Love you. Ah, nkosi yami. Hayi bo. Somphuzisa igologa qeda amahloni. Simfakele orange. Yey. Ngiyatshela. Athi hayi kushada bani.
No. No. So sondela again. Angizwa nje nebhuku eliba yi2.
I'll see. Hi my loves, hey my besties. Welcome back to another day of this vlog. It's here Sunday today and I am going to church. Yeah, I'm going to church. Yes, I am going to church. Ngizwile nje guys, ngizwile kuthiwa a sister of mine is getting married today. I'm so excited, Shame. I'm really excited. Congratulations, Princess. I know you're gonna watch this. I know you watch my vlogs. Congratulations, Mtaka Baba. I wish you nothing but the best emshadweni wakho. Yeah, I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzokuthwala nje. Congratulations, Mtasa. Princess Ngmazi from Blom. I met her in 2021 and she's getting married today, which is so great. I mean, I'm sure didn't guys. Anyways, yeah, let's go Kesanas. Yeah, I think I'm gonna talk to you guys when I come back from church. And yeah, I think this is the last day of this vlog, but yeah, we'll see. Bye.